Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the wild west of finance, DeFi, or decentralized finance. We all love DeFi for its incredible innovation, especially a feature called composability. Think of it like financial Legos. You can stack different protocols on top of each other to create powerful new financial tools. But what happens when one of those Lego bricks is faulty? Today we're exploring the dark side of composability, the domino effect that can bring the whole system tumbling down. Let's travel back to a pivotal moment in DeFi history that perfectly illustrates this. Imagine a major lending protocol, let's call it a money market like Curve Finance, which is famous for its stablecoin swaps. Billions of dollars flow through it every day. Now, many other DeFi projects are built on top of Curve. They use its liquidity pools as a core component of their own strategies. They deposit user funds into Curve to earn yield, or use Curve's liquidity tokens, known as LP tokens, as collateral in other lending platforms. It's an intricate, interconnected web. Now picture this. A hacker discovers a vulnerability, not in the projects built on top, but in the foundational protocol itself, Curve. Using a clever exploit in a specific programming language used for some of its smart contracts, the hacker starts draining funds from several of Curve's liquidity pools. Suddenly, hundreds of millions of dollars vanish. The first domino has just fallen. Immediately, panic spreads. The value of the assets in those compromised pools plummets. Remember those other projects that were using Curve's LP tokens as collateral? The value of their collateral is now collapsing. This triggers a cascade of automated liquidations. On other lending platforms like Aave or Frax, positions that were once safe are now suddenly under-collateralized. Automated bots begin force-selling the collateral on the open market to cover the debt, pushing prices down even further. It's a vicious cycle. This is the domino effect in action. The hack on one foundational protocol, Curve, created a tidal wave of consequences. Projects that had nothing to do with the initial exploit were suddenly fighting for survival. Their users' funds were at risk, not because of their own code, but because of their reliance on a compromised Lego brick. This is the great paradox of DeFi composability. The very feature that allows for permissionless innovation and interconnectivity also creates systemic risk. One protocol's failure doesn't happen in a vacuum. It ripples across the entire ecosystem, threatening platforms and user funds far and wide. So what does this teach us? It's a powerful reminder that in DeFi you're not just investing in one protocol. You're indirectly exposed to the risks of every protocol it interacts with. Understanding these hidden connections is crucial. It's why security audits, bug bounties, and risk management are so vital for the long-term health of the space. While the potential of DeFi is immense, the domino effect shows us just how fragile this interconnected world can be. We need to build with caution, understanding that with great composability comes great responsibility. Thanks for tuning in to understand this complex but critical topic. If you found this explanation helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of crypto and DeFi. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.